Hi all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rehab and I'm a mom to three beautiful kids. In this channel, I'll be sharing few clips of my daily life as vlog, recipes from my kitchen and some tips and tricks which are helpful for me and I hope they would be helpful for you too. So come along with me in this beautiful journey. Today I am getting ready. We have a family outing. We are planning to eat out. So I am getting ready here, and while I am getting ready, my kids are passing their time playing. The kids are really excited because it's been quite some time since we've been out because of the lockdown and the virus spreading everywhere. The kids are already planning the menu that they're going to have and deciding how they're going to spend this evening. It was around 7:30 and we left the house. The kids were really excited because all of us enjoy a long drive. The venue was quite far from our house.
In 200 meters, continue straight through Anil Kumbal Circle to
We
stay
chose
on Mahatma
Zaitun.
Gandhi Road.
It is a multi-cuisine restaurant which specializes in Arabian cuisine. We loved the food here. Even though this hotel is very far from house, it is our favorite because the chicken alfaham over here is just so yummy and so delicious. Well, because of the recent lockdown, the hotel bore an empty look. However, they are taking all the necessary precautions here, and it was a pleasant change for all of us this evening. As I mentioned earlier, the food here is really very yummy, especially the chicken alfaham and the Manchurian prawns. We were quite hungry and we completely enjoyed the meal. Alhamdulillah, mashallah, it was a beautiful evening spent with family. And later, we left the place at around 9:30 and reached home at around 10:30. The next morning, all of us were feeling very tired and lazy, so we thought of bringing in Lazy Sunday. As soon as I woke up, I'm making the bed because I already felt really lazy. I do not want to spend the whole day on the bed. Today I am in no mood to prepare chapati and an elaborate breakfast, so thought of making something which requires little effort and time. I am preparing bread with mayonnaise and egg filling. It is optional, but I do like to add cucumber because it gives a very fresh flavor. So this is a very easy breakfast, ready in minutes, and it is also very filling. So into a bowl I am going to add 4 boiled eggs. So this is sufficient for around 6 people. I am going to chop the eggs and add it to a big bowl, and it is optional, but I like to add some cucumber just for a fresh taste. I am going to nicely mash up the eggs using a fork, and into this I am adding 1/4 teaspoon of salt for seasoning, half teaspoon of garlic powder, which is again optional. If you want, you can skip it, little bit of pepper, and 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Now that is it. Mix everything nicely until you get a nice perfect consistency of filling, and your mayonnaise and egg filling is ready. Now all we have to do is lay the breads and put the filling inside. And your super easy sandwich, which is also very filling, is ready. It is optional, but you can also toast this. My family likes to have this bread toasted, so I'm going to go ahead and toast it. So I'm going to heat a grilling pan, and into this I'm going to add a little bit of oil and add in the sandwich and gently toast it on both the sides. In a family, we all help each other. So here Misbah is helping me prepare the breakfast and Yunus is helping to set the table. We encourage our kids to help each other so that this brings a responsibility towards their sibling and also gives them a sense of responsibility towards household work. I also added slices of butter just for a nice flavor and toasted the breads. Now the breads are nice toasted. We can take them out. So the breakfast is ready. I am going to serve it along with tea and milk for kids. So that's it from me. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and thank you for watching. Bye guys.